Hi everyone, and welcome to Chapter 3 of Exploring STEM and Coding with EDU PICO. In this part, we will learn to display text on the OLED display. By the end of this video, we will explore how to print the phrase "Hello EDU PICO" on the OLED display. Before we begin writing the code of this activity, make sure the CircuitPython root directory contains the font binary file. This binary file contains a bitmap font used by the frame buffer library to render text on the OLED display. If it doesn't exist, check back the steps of installing CircuitPython firmware in Chapter 1, or you can download it from the link shown here. Now, let's begin with writing the code for this activity. Line 2 imports Adafruit SSD library to enable operation with the OLED displays. Line 4 initialize I2C communication bus using the bus IO I2C class and assign GP5 for SCL and GP4 for SDA. Line 5 configures the OLED display with a resolution of 128 by 64 pixels while forming the connection through I2C communication. Line 7 clears the OLED display by filling it with black. Line 8 inverts the background color to appear in white and text in black. Line 9 displays the text "Hello" in white with the coordinates of x equals 50 and y equals 25. Line 10 displays the text EDU PICO with the coordinates of x equals 40 and y equals 40. Line 11 updates the OLED display to show the changes made. Now, once we run the code, we will notice the "Hello EDU PICO" text appears in the OLED display. Try to modify the code to allow the user to type their name in the shell console and print the name on the OLED. Pause the video and try to figure out how to do this activity. Once you are done, continue to watch the following part to verify your work. Here is the complete code of the activity. We have replaced the original code from line 7 to 11 with the code shown there. Let's run the code and see how this works. The program will start by asking you to enter your name in the shell window. Type in your name, then press enter. Now you can see your input appear in the OLED display. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diodes. They are becoming the most common display technology in our devices. Most smartphones and many TVs today use OLED displays. The name OLED originates from the organic compounds in its pixels. These compounds are primarily made of carbon and hydrogen and form organic emitters that emit light when excited by electrical current. The organic emitters emit white light initially, which passes through a filter to create colors. By adjusting the electrical current in each organic emitter, we can control the color of a single OLED pixel. Note that the OLED display included with the EDU PICO can only emit in blue color. Well done completing part 1 of Chapter 3. In the next video, we will learn how to use the gesture sensor on the EDU PICO. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.